Ikenga, you and the elders of this village connived and killed my father and shared his property amongst you. So it's true. Hey! And to think that all this happened and I've been working for you. Ikenga, listen. I give you people 24 hours. 24 hours to return all my father's property. Or you will die before the 24 hours. Ikenga, look at me. Anya keji amo kachala acha. Achagom.
Genwa.
Ikenga achagom.
Genwa.
I will uproot you. You know say I know your secret. I know your secret. 24 hours.
See that bushmeat? I'll make it your dinner tonight. Don't go anywhere. Stay here. Don't go anywhere. Junior! 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 Help me. What happened? Don't forgive me. Don't forgive me. As I was driving, mistakenly, I hit somebody with my car. It was a mistake. It was a mistake.
And you run here?
They are coming. They are coming. This man, Baba, go and bring him out.
Fast.
Go and bring him out.
No. He said it was a mistake.
Go and bring him out. Where is it?
Please.
Bring him out now.
He just killed somebody, so he has to die for it also. So bring him out now. Kita. I'll bring him out.
Go and bring him out.
Junior! Junior! Junior!
Fast. Which name?
But I'm going to kill him. Bring him out.
He just killed somebody, so he has to die for it.
He deserves to die. Go and bring him out.
Bring him out.
Fast! Rush inside and bring him out. Bring him out.
He just killed somebody, so he has to die for it.
He deserves to die. What time was this up?
He just killed somebody, so he also has to die for it. So go and bring him out.
Where do you hide him?
Fast.
Go and bring him out. He deserves to die.
What happened, Kim?
Junior has been knocked down by an unknown driver.
Junior! Junior! Kim, what happened? Junior, please wake up, Junior! Junior, please! How did it? Junior, please don't do this!
Hey! Is it your son?
Junior, please don't do to mourn my own son. What have we done? Nkem, what have we done to our own people? What have we done? What wrong have we done?
They hate us so much. So much that they don't want anything good for us. They don't want anything good to come to us.
My son. Junior Wam.
What have I done to my people?
Hey! Okay, my Junior, they've taken him. What more do we have here? Nothing. Okay. Pico, let's leave this village. Let's run far away. Let's go to our neighboring village. Let's go and stay there. Maybe we will find peace. Let's go.
No. This is my father's land. This is my father's land. Our ancestors will be very angry at me if as a man I run away. Mba. Mba no.
Nkem, don't kill me, oh. Don't kill me in this village, oh. Remember, our people said, he who fights and run away will come back and fight another day. Biko, let's go. Nkem, Biko.
See, Akugo.
Let's go.
I don't want you to worry. Don't worry at all.
Junior, pity me.
Don't worry.
Look at me.
Don't worry.
Nkem, pity me. Hey, Junior.
Calm down.
Junior.
Our God will fight for us.
Ah, my king, it worked. I saw them crying with their faces like excreta.
The battle has been won. All your father's property belongs to you now. And I'm solidly behind you.
Thank you, my king. Let me be on my way.
We will fix a date for the sharing of your father's property.
I believe in what you can do, my king. Thank you. Let me be on my way.
I have been working very hard like every other young man to make sure I change the situation of things. But life has left me this way. Now everybody in this village hates me. They hate me because I am poor. They hate me. Because I am poor.
Okay. Same thing that has been bothering me. Okay. My husband. What I don't understand is, as poor as we are, in our condition, okay, we have never begged anybody for food. We have not. The question is, why are the villagers against us? What have we done, Kem? Wait, don't Kem. You went out very happy. What happened? Why are you lamenting? What happened, Kem? My husband.
Can you imagine the Igwe? Of all the plots of land my father left for us, it is only one piece of land at Mpo that they gave to me. When I tried to let the Igwe understand that it's not fair, they started raining abuses on me. They said I am poor. If they give me more than that, I will sell it for us to feed. Can you imagine?
Is that what they said?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. What did your brother Ikenga say? What did he say? He is your brother, your blood brother.
What do you expect from that one? He supported them. They gave him all other plots of land. They've given him. When I tried to speak with him, he denied me. He denied me before the Igwe that he is not my brother.
Ikenga, your brother said you are no more his brother. Okay. It's okay. Okay, look at me. Just look at me. Huh? It's okay. One thing I know is that the Lord is our strength. He is our shepherd. He will not let us beg, okay?
Yes.
And He will supply all our needs according to His riches in glory. Our God will not put us to shame. Huh? He will not allow us to beg. That is one thing I know. Okay? Don't be angry. Look at me. Smile for me. Eh?
You are right.
It's okay, Kim.
I still trust in him.
Yes.
I trust in him. I know he will not let us see shame.
No, he will not. That's why you need to smile for your wife. Smile. Hey, that's my husband. See, let me go in there and bring you food. I made you good food. Don't worry about them. We will be working stronger every day. They will see us. They can't break us, okay? We are stronger than what they can break.
That's why I have you.
Okay.
That is why I have you.
You know I love you.
I love you too.
Come on. Let me get you something to eat.
This is why I don't like doing anything with that James. How can I, the king, tell him the time of the meeting and he is yet to get here?
Igwe, that is why I doubt if he is really my brother.
Igwe. Before anything, Igwe, I am very sorry for keeping you people waiting. I was trying to settle an issue with my wife at home. I am sorry.
You are aware of this meeting? Why?
Ikenga, it's okay. I don't have time for that. James, your report has been reaching me about how you go around the village telling everyone that the committee shared your father's land and gave you just one piece of land.
Igwe,
Shut up! Shut up! You are poor. You are wretched. Why should we give you more than one piece of land? If we give you more than one, you will sell all of them. So sell that one that was given to you and enjoy with your wife. And in case you make up your mind to sell it, come to me.
You are right, Igwe. You are right. And don't go about telling people that I took all your lands.
Igwe, this is our family issue. Please, it's not yours. We can settle it. Please.
Now get out of my palace. I said leave my presence. Look at that fool. Loafer.
Ike. What is it? What is it? I have told you that you shouldn't be calling my name on the road. Huh? Do you want people to be seeing you as my brother? You know how wretched and poor you are.
Ikenga, you are my brother. So, of all the plots of land our father left for us, it's only one piece of land that you gave to me. This thing is not good, though.
Did I share any land? Did I share any land? Was it not the king and members of his cabinet that shared the land? Listen, don't stop me again.
Hi.
Don't stop me again.
Ikenga! Ikenga! Ikenga, what you have done is not good, though. Hi. What you've done is not good, though.
Greetings, my
You're welcome, Ikenga.
Igwe. They said a grateful heart is a prosperous heart. I have come to say thank you. Thank you for giving me what rightfully belonged to me. Giving me my father's property. Thank you, my king.
You are welcome, Ikenga. You know, you cannot stay in the stream, yet allow soap to blind your eyes. Your brother was so disrespectful. He is a small boy, so he deserves to be given a small portion of land. And there's nothing he can do about it.
There's nothing he can do, my king. He can't even feed his family. Talk more of fighting the lion himself. It's not possible.
I am solidly behind you. Ikenga, my son and my friend. If there is anything you need, just whisper to my ears and it is done.
Igwe, you will live long, my
It is well with you.
You will live long.
It is well with you.
So how is it?
It's coming down. Okay, the back is paining me.
Sorry.
All my waist, all the side.
Hi.
So when I'm making massage now.
Hi.
James!
You'll be fine, no?
James! What is the meaning of this? Huh? Nya, you will go. According to you left my work undone. What have you been doing?
I am sorry. It is my wife's condition that made me not to do it. Please, I am sorry.
Your wife's condition. Yeah, in a kuzoku condition. But your wife's condition did not stop you from collecting your full payment. Now in a kuzoku condition.
Please, I am sorry. See, I will do it. I will do it.
Biko.
James, I'm giving you the last chance. 2 days. 2 days. If I come back here, I will arrest both you and this your unconditional wife. And you know what that means? That's just it.
Please, I'll do it. Trust me.
I said 2 days.
I'll do it.
You will already. Condition.
My back.
Sorry. Sorry.
Hi.
Sorry, you?
Oh, okay.
How are you feeling now?
It's okay. Thank you.
Take it easy, oh? Easy. You will soon get home.
Okay. You know, if not that your brother took away everything you have, is it not our farmland that we should be coming from? Eh?
Don't worry. Oh? Don't worry. Let him take it. That is not the end of the road for us. Our God will prove us well. He will answer us and prove them wrong. Oh?
I'm so blessed to have him like you. Thank you.
I'm also blessed to have you by my side.
Your Majesty, we have seen the land in question, and we also have your papers. Our company will swing into serious action. Serious survey of those properties. Give us 2 weeks. We will tell you which of those lands have crude. I mean good crude. The rest assured.
We will be waiting for your feedback.
Don't worry, Your Highness.
Thank you for coming.
We have to be on our way now.
Yeah, definitely.
I wish you joining us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Highness.
Thank you very much.
Shall we? All right, let's go. All right, my elders.
James, why are you still here? Huh?
Why are you humiliating me, King? What have I done to you?
Yes, because you are bad luck yourself. Do you want to infect us here with bad luck? You can leave.
I am not bad luck.
James, enough. What is wrong with you? Do you think my palace is a ground for quarreling?
I am sorry, Your Majesty.
Just like everyone was waiting to hear from the king, James was also there. Oh, did you see him?
No, I didn't.
He was there with his speech, but they all turned their backs at him and they were fighting him.
Nkechi,
my sister,
I'm not blaming anybody.
Okay.
Because they all think he's a witch.
Okay, let me ask you something. How do you see James? Do you see him as a bad person? That man is very innocent. Oh.
It's no one's fault though. After all, Ikenga, his brother, accused him of killing their father. Or did you know?
I did not. Oh. I did not. But even at that, even if everybody hated him, everybody was asked to come to the palace, and James was also there. They should have heard him out. It's not fair now. My son's injustice. Oh, injustice.
Nobody is judging him.
What about you? It's as if you're with them. Because the way you're just describing it, right? It's as if you're supporting them. If you say so,
please leave me alone.
But what I'm trying to say is that we should not judge.
No, Gabiko.
I'm talking to you. Hey, my husband, someone is pushing you to a fight. Someone is pushing you to fight your brother. Someone is instigating a fight. So then you two will fight and kill yourself. You better be at a corner laughing. Please, stop bullying your brother. Please.
Oh, Ada. So you have joined him. This should be the first and the last time you will join someone to say something that does not concern you. How much did he pay you?
James did not give me any money. He did not give me any money. What I am saying is that he's your brother. He's your blood. Stop being against him.
May the gods forbid. That idiot can never be my brother. He cannot be my brother. I hate him.
At least I have said the truth. Heaven bear me witness. Yes, I have said the truth. Oh, I have said my own.
Now get inside. Get inside before I throw you out of this house.
I've said my own. Oh, I've said my own. You better stop this fight. Stop it. Oh.
Once again, you are welcome to our community.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I want to thank you for allowing our company to do business with this community. Thank you so much. Meanwhile, the samples we took from the land you showed us, we made thorough examination on those samples. But we found out that only one piece of land has crude. Yes. Exactly. And that piece of land belongs to one...
Mr. James Sanusi.
James Sanusi.
Why only one land?
Your Majesty, that's not for me to answer. It's for nature. And that's how we saw it.
Yes. Please, sir. I want you to cross-check again. Maybe there is something wrong somewhere.
Sir, even if we check it 1,000 times, the result will still remain the same.
The same? We are professionals in this. This is not our first time. So, Mr. James Sanusi.
Yes.
On behalf of the company, we want to say a wonderful congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We will prepare the necessary documents, and you will be signing it for us by the next time we visit. Okay? Let's shock you. The company has prepared a sum of 200 million naira for you.
Yes.
Hey! And that's not all. One member of your family will be given a scholarship.
Yes!
Yes.
True.
That is okay, Mr. Lawal. But I advise that you go back and cross-check your samples and your testings. There's no way it can be only one land. Because I know our community is endowed. Yes. We are endowed with all kinds of natural mineral resources.
Your Majesty, I don't dispute the fact that this community is endowed. Yes, it's really endowed. But from our findings, it's just one piece of land.
Yes, one piece.
But that's notwithstanding. We shall go back and cross-check. Don't worry. But I will put what you said into consideration and I will recheck. Yeah. But meanwhile, Mr. James Sanosike.
Yes.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Just know that in 2 weeks' time, you will be 200 million naira richer.
Hi.
Your Majesty, we shall be on our way now. It's nice having a wonderful time with you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Just like that. Just like that. Hey! Oh!
What is it? What is
Do
that?
you know that the only piece of land rejected by this community and given to us is the only piece of land in this community that has crude oil? And the people from that company have agreed to pay us 200 million naira to extract oil. Hey!
Okay. Did you say our land? They want to buy it for 200 million.
Yes.
Hey! 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 Okay. How will I dance? How we want?
Okay.
Okay. Hi. Okay.
Oh. Hi.
Do you know that God still answered the poor people's prayer?
Yes. Yes. Wait, it's like
Okay.
I can feel that. How is he doing?
He's kicking.
Hey!
Okay, he's kicking. He wants to come outside. 200 million naira. It's not penny.
Come out. Your parents are rich now. Very rich. Child of rich parents. Millionaire child. Wait. Let me sit like the man I am right now.
Yes. You are a man indeed. Sit down, Kim.
In fact, right now, I want to eat ofe nsala and pounded yam.
Okay. Kim, you will eat anything. When I go to the market, I'll buy the whole market.
Hey!
I'll cook for you, Kim.
Hey!
You deserve it. 200 million naira.
Yes.
This is not possible, my king. He must have bribed them.
Ikenga, I am very adroit of words, to say the least. I'm asking myself, why must he be his own land?
My king, his land is not supposed to be included in the first place. What do we do?
We apply option B.
What if option B did not work?
Then we move to the next option.
James, my brother, how are you doing?
And to what do I owe this visit? I I am surprised that you even addressed me as your brother.
Yes, of course. You are my brother. James, I came for us to talk.
Indeed. I am all ears.
I am offering you the sum of 200,000 naira for that land given to you. I want you to hand over that land to me while you take all that belongs to me.
And why should that be? Eh? Why should that be?
Why are you interfering into our brotherly conversation?
Brotherly indeed. Brother that you long rejected. Eh? When we lost our son, were you here as a brother? Were you? No. Why the sudden visit? What do you want?
Listen, no one interferes in my affairs. You won't like me.
I am not afraid of you. I have been so quiet. I am not afraid of you. My husband would not trade that land with you or anybody in this village.
Tell him.
He would not. We will not. Go back. Go back!
James, let me be on my way.
Thank you for coming. You're the only one that like good things. You hear 200 and something million. You want to trade. Now, brother, start. Honey, you are not trading that land with anybody.
Don't mind him.
You will not do that. Suddenly, he wants to be your brother because he hear 200 million. You will not give him that land. Let's go in. Food is ready.
Oh.
Even I tried convincing him, but his wife insulted me. He is really playing with fire.
You're right. He is really and truly playing with fire. As for his wife, her case is like a football game. So don't worry about that.
We need the land. My king, we really need this land so that we will get that money from them.
Please, I'm so thirsty. I need some water to drink.
Nico, I don't have any water with me here.
Please, I know you can help me. Please help me and go and fetch water from the stream to drink.
Ne, Nico, the stream is very far from here. And you can see I am heavily pregnant. I don't want to go to the stream because, and I'm just coming back from the farm. I am so tired.
I know.
Please.
I know, my daughter. But I know you can't help me. Please. You see, if I don't drink this water, I will just die. Please.
No. You cannot die because of water. Please. Let me help you. Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Where will you wait? Will you sit here? Where? You
Don't
could
worry.
sit here. Let me
just go and get it.
Akugo! Akugo! Where would she have gone to now? Eh? I thought I told her not to go anywhere until I come back. Akugo! Could it be she has gone to the farm again? All by herself? Akugo!
Ne, I'm back.
Thank you. May the gods bless you. May the gods bless you, my daughter. Thank you. You will deliver safely.
Thank you.
Yes. Oh yeah, okay, I'll take your basket now and go home. Just hurry and go home straight.
Ne, but you are not drinking the water now.
Don't worry. Thank you. The water is here already. I will take it.
listen. I'm leaving here now. I can't be waiting. For past 2 hours, we've been waiting for this this woman, and she's not here. And they asked me to wait. I can't wait again, oh. If you want to wait, we can wait, oh.
Nah. But this man told us he saw her coming, that we should fall out. Now we don't fall out. We don't wait. We don't see her. Eh? We don't see her. Nah, me, I don't tire. If we are going, let's move.
So you two don't tire?
Nah.
What I tell you, I don't tire. It's inside the joke. Say, if you want to wait, wait. Come meet me for house.
My king, all efforts to kill her prove abortive. She is the only one standing in my way, and the officials are coming in 2 days' time.
Ikenga,
my king.
time is of essence. There is no time to waste. We must do something as soon as possible.
My king, what do you want me to do?
I'm coming.
Sorry, please. Sorry. No, sorry. Sorry, lie down, my dear. Lie down. Lie down. She'll be fine, okay? She'll be fine. Stop. Let me check some. Sorry, huh? Sorry.
How is she?
Yeah, fine.
How is my baby?
My baby is doing well. Before, let's assume before 6 o'clock, she will go to bed. But I will give her herbal medicine that will reduce her pains. Okay? Just take it easy. She will be fine. You're welcome. Thank you.
Okay, it's painful. It's paining me.
You will be fine. You will put to bed soundly.
Amen.
You and the child will be alive.
Amen.
You and the baby will be alive.
Amen.
You know the company officials will be visiting today.
Okay.
So I need to go to the palace. Okay? You will be fine. You will be fine.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Biko. Oh, Biko, take care of yourself. Sorry. Mama, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My wife and my son, please take good care of him.
Very. Thank you. No, you soon get home. Sorry. Mama is here.
Bye.
Thank you. Sorry.
So it's just a dream. Like Mama said, she'll put to bed in 5 hours time. But these people will be waiting for me at the palace.
Your Majesty, we have come as promised. The documents are ready, so we want to have them signed. Just that we don't have time. We have some other villages we want to touch for document signing too. Where is Mr. James Anosike? He's not here.
As you can see, he's not here right now. Probably on his way coming.
Well, Your Majesty, we have decided that we cannot sign these documents until he comes.
But, Mr. Lawal, can't someone else sign those documents so that you can commence your operation?
After all, the land in question is not his. It's a family property.
I'm sorry, it's not in my hands. The company has decided that he alone has to sign that document himself. Yeah. Nobody can sign on his behalf. Except he's dead. Yes. Then somebody can sign on his behalf. But meanwhile, we just have to go and come back around. We have to be on our way now, Your Majesty.
Aboma. Akugo. What is going on here? You'll be fine. Aboma. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Eh? Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Take your wife! Take Take her away, he's an evil child. Take her away, take her away. You want to see her? Your child is an evil child. Go, 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 go. Take her, one on a clear. Take her away. Your child is an evil child. Go, go, go. Easy, easy, easy. Kenga, take your money. I couldn't do it. Why? Take your money! Get out of my house this minute. Get out of my house!
I should leave.
Are you crazy? Didn't you hear me well? Did water fill my mouth? Get out! Get out! Nonsense.
There is no God. This is James. I now have a younger James. I knew it. I knew it. I even told myself, you will not die. I said the baby will not die. Now there is a younger James.
Let me have the documents now.
The documents? I'll give it to you.
Give it to me.
My family.
Please. Guy, what's this?
What is this man now? Put in the documents.
Take. Yes.
I beg you, please. Please have the documents. Pay my baby, please.
Get it!
Please. Please! Get me going. No. Don't do this. Get me.
Kill this baby now. Kill him now, not put the go now, you waste time.
This can't be killed.
Kill him! You still there? Bye-bye.
No, sorry, I have to go.
tell you, say, I hate to delay for work. Oh, don't deliver work. One day they wait for our money. For waiting now, easy to deliver. I know they like all this kind of work. I don't like this kind of work. For many hours now, one day, this guy never show. I no sign.
Listen, this kind of work I know they like. And you know they like to para. Now when I see am one-on-one, now that time I go para give am.
Job well done. Let me have it. That's a good one. It's okay. I'll see you guys later.
Money. Hi! Let's go.
See, any job again, make you call us.
This guy did it. Now man, this man be. I like work with this kind of people.
See, look, I tell you. You know, see, if people like us no day, this kind of job no dey exist. Now people like us make them feel fine for this job.
Bad boy? Nah, this our country. Bad boy no dey, the country no go better. See money. My brother, I'm gonna put him move.
Igwe, this is the document. It will be safe in your hand. It is our money.
It's indeed our money.
Ada! What is that baby doing in my house?
My husband, I could not leave him behind. His parents are gone, and you know you and I are the only one that can take care of him.
What are you talking about? His father never regarded me when he was alive. How will I take care of his seed?
You better leave this child out of this one. Leave this innocent child out of this. His father did not hate you, but reverse is the case.
Did you inform me before bringing him to our home? Did you?
What manner of man are you? So because you had problem with your late brother, now you want to transfer it to the innocent child?
Shut up! I said shut up! This is my house. I decide what happens here. Before I close and open my eyes, I don't want to see that boy there again. Did you hear me?
Hey, that's a big lie. Yes.
Okay, no problem.
You are joking.
I am joking, right?
Yes.
No problem.
Wicked man.
What is chasing you? What is after the good friend of the lion himself?
Igwe, something mysterious just happened in my house.
How do you mean?
My small nephew opened his mouth and greeted me, "Good morning, uncle." It is abnormal for a boy of a day old to greet me.
Is that all? Is that why you were running in here, panting like someone was after you to kill you? Or were you not told? It's a special gift in your family. Your father was the same way when he was small.
Igwe, so it is normal?
Of course, it is very, very normal. Just go home and fear less.
Thank you, Igwe.
You're welcome.
Your Majesty, we have come back as we promised. We hope that Mr. James Sanosike is available right now.
I'm sorry, we lost him.
Sorry? What about his wife? Is he married?
We lost the wife as well.
Your Majesty, does he have a son or a daughter? Anybody that can sign for him?
Yes, he has a child, but few months old. The only relation he has, surviving relation he has, is Ikenga here.
Yes, yes. I am his only brother.
Blood brother. Your Majesty, we can do business with him. It's okay, we can use him. Right. So we have the documents for you to sign, but first of all, we need the original documents of the land. If you can get it for us, yes.
All right. Now let me go and get the documents, the land documents.
Thank you, sir.
Ikenga,
My Igwe.
have you in any way taken the documents in my closet without my knowledge?
I don't understand you, Igwe. We are very close, but how can I go into your closet to take the document? I didn't touch the document.
Who took the documents then? If you did not, listen, don't try to play a smart one with me.
Igwe, I hope it is not what I am thinking.
And what are you thinking?
Those documents belong to me and my family, and I want you to give them to me. I brought you in because I love you.
You're welcome, Your Majesty.
There's a problem.
Problem? What is the problem, Your Majesty?
I can't find the land documents. I don't know how it happened.
Igwe, you can't find it or you don't want to bring it.
How dare you insult me? I said I can't find the land documents. Is it because I allowed you to be my friend? You think you can talk to me anyhow?
Those documents belong to my family. It's our property. So you better get it, Igwe.
Well, Your Majesty, the company has decided that in absence of that document, there's no way he can put signature to our own contract. Just no way. I'm sorry, we have to cancel the deal. I'm sorry.
Good afternoon. Are you okay?
My daughter, don't be afraid. You are a woman with a good heart. I am Achaluko, James' son is my grandchild. I got into him while he was in his mother's womb. That child has a great destiny, but some evil people want to destroy his destiny. Ikenga, your husband, is evil. My daughter, go home. When you get to your house, raise up your pillow. That document that has been missing, I've been the one protecting it. Take the document under the pillow and take that child. Run as far as you can, where Ikenga will not find you. When you leave Ikenga's house, your womb will open and you will be a children. But not for Ikenga, for he is evil. When that boy grows up, make sure you give him those documents. Run as fast as you can. Take the boy and the document and run away. Go! Go!
I come to you, beautiful goddess of the sea, to seek for your help on the political appointment and powers that I seek, and to pay evil for evil to those that seek my downfall. So help me.
Can you meet up to the standards which you seek for?
I can do anything as long as what I seek for will be granted.
Then you need to build me an altar in your home where I'll appear and then grant you what you request. But first, you need to throw the eggs you have in that pot. Throw one into the water and give me one in my hand.
It is done.
Finally, our dream has become a reality.
Yes, thank God.
Hey, I am now the revenue chairman of this local government area. Whatever be your heart desires will be granted.
Oh, why?
Whatever you want me to do for you, for the support the both of you gave to me, I will do it with my two eyes closed.
I trust you.
Thank you very much.
I trust you.
So in a few weeks' time, we are going to start our operation.
Okay.
To demand for our statutory levy. So the both of you must be fully prepared.
My dear, we are still struggling now. The lockdown is affecting everybody, but then God is faithful now. Yeah. Everybody tries. Can you get back to me like in 5 minutes? God bless you. God bless you. Ikenga.
Good day, sir.
Welcome.
This one where you appear this morning, I hope say I did safe.
No, no problem. You know, I'm very much loyal to your government, sir.
Loyal?
Yes.
Are you sure your loyalty is not in doubt?
No, no, not at all. How will my loyalty be in doubt?
Ikenga. There must be reason you are here.
That is true.
So let me hear from you.
That is true. We are about starting the distribution of our demand notices to all the companies and shops.
Okay.
Despite that and all other operations as the revenue chairman. So my boys and all the rest of the workers are very much ready to start their operation. That is why I came this way.
That's very good. This is a good one. But I hope you've received all the materials.
Yes. I've received all the stickers and all the rest of the receipts, operational permit and all the rest. Supervisor, I think I've not received the receipt for sanitation.
Oh, sanitation receipt. I thought okay, but I know we're working on that. I will call on the printer guy first thing tomorrow morning. So make sure they deliver that to you within tomorrow or next.
Work is fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Why is your face like this?
I'm fine. Nenda, I'm fine.
Okay, you say so.
Hi.
Brother, what is it now? You are not eating your food. It's getting cold now. What is it? What is happening? Eh? See, you came back from war. You have been acting strange.
I'm tired.
Brother.
The kind of insult I'm getting in this village because of this Abdul work.
Brother.
Look at who that guy is saying be now?
Brother, you have to calm down, okay? You have to calm down. I know that one day you will surely get your way out of this village. God will make a way for you and you will be out of this village. Okay? Please. You have to eat. You have to eat.
This one won't enter into Mama Bella.
Last born. Which is in the Godimon, so in the Bible that wants to enter.
Where's Chima?
Somewhere over there.
Oh. Darling, I'm afraid.
What?
This is Kenga. Now that he has become the chairman of the revenue task force, only God knows what he's going to do next. Evil man.
But my husband is still going to be the same. No able man is good or kind. They are all the same.
I think you are right there. I think you are right.
Only God will save us all.
By the way, here my children, please. Anytime these boys come to your shop for revenue, please try and give to them. I don't want to have any clash with him. Of course, you know that they don't like this our family. So please.
Papa. Children, come to call your father. Papa, did I hear you say that we should give them what? Money? No. Just tell me. Oh. Papa, what if we did not have money to give to them?
Oh.
What will happen, Papa?
Ask Papa.
Ask Papa.
That's what you're asking me. As if you don't know the kind of person they are. Okay, I won't be there when they'll be beating you. Anyway, let me tell you, stop chopping, chomp. Half of the money you make in that shop, you use it to eat shawarma, eat this, eat that. Save money.
This one.
Have you heard me?
Papa, I like food.
Food is good though.
I like food. I don't know. I like food.
It will be very good for the elders to call Ikenga and give him the rules on how to follow this is revenue work.
I called for this meeting because of the report I am receiving lately. that some of you do fight while discharging your duties in the field. Let the fight stop.
Correct. I beg, may they no fight again.
I am still speaking. From now, I want every one of you to mind your business while discharging your duties. Gaga, you are going to be in charge of market daily tickets, shop operational permits, sanitation and tenement levy. You and your boys. While you will be in charge of Okada and vehicle daily tickets. Everybody should mind his or her business and carry out your operations accordingly.
I hear you, boss.
Chairman, thank you very much. I like it like that. It's good as you have given each and every one of us their area of duty, so that everybody will know in level, know where he belongs. To avoid some small boys to try to chook hand for their elder eye. You know, because all of us, they do agro work, so they don't know their level again. So, but it's good that we all know our area of duty. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I want to ask, since the operation permit and the sanitation levy, the tickets are not out, are we going to wait until the ticket is out before we start?
I was told to come to the council on Monday to receive the receipts for operational permit, sanitation and tenement levy. I'll be going to the council to pick those things. And for you, I want the daily sales of ticket to continue so that we'll have something to hold body and soul together.
Come. Ifoma, how are you?
I'm fine. I hope there is no problem.
There is no problem at all. Ifoma, there is what I want to say to you. You see, what I want to tell you, I don't want this little girl to get to know about it. Ifoma, you see, you look very, very beautiful and attractive. What you need now is someone that will give this your beautiful body good maintenance, so that you will always look good, Ifoma.
Ikenga, I don't understand you. What are you trying to say?
Mama, my son is too much now. Let's go now. Let's go.
I'm coming.
Ifoma, you see, let me tell you the truth. I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And I really want you to be my sugar.
Here, me being your sugar. What about being your honey?
I said I love you from the bottom.
I thought that you're joking, no? Ikenga, if not for the respect I have for you as a man, I would have given you the insult of your life. Let today be the first and the last day you ever try this nonsense again. Me being your sugar. What about your honey?
Ifoma.
Bitter leaf and diabetes. Nonsense. Mama, what did he say? Don't mind that idiot. Can you imagine? You don't even have respect for married people.
Mama, that problem can't even go down step. Mama, because that problem can't even go down step. That is nothing, man. It's yours. Who useless human being? I'm Weber.
Our local government.
Hey, local government chairman. That means that we won't be seeing you at home anymore now. It's from one, now.
One what?
Man need to quarantine himself. At least inside. You know what I'm talking about.
Since I became the revenue chairman, have I slept out?
Oh, you know now. It's because you are afraid. Because of those market women. you know now.
Me afraid of market women.
So you guys are here enjoying.
Welcome.
Welcome.
What is it?
If you see what happened at the market today, in fact,
I'm ashamed of myself. Those market women disgraced me today. Each table I go to buy something, they will say they don't have it. Meanwhile, I'm seeing it with my eyes. Oh, they said my husband is a wicked man. That he wants to frustrate them in this community. Honey, please, don't you think this revenue of a thing is really damaging our image?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Few days before I became the revenue chairman, the councillors, they amended the revenue bylaw and they added some money there. Not only that, the money I collect as revenue chairman, I give the chairman and I pay into the local government treasurer account. The two DPOs representing this local government, I do give them some money every month. Even the kings, the 8 kings in all the 8 villages in this local government, I do give them some money. Even this our local environment, the chiefs in this our local government are too demanding. All this money are gotten from the revenue. So what do you want me to do?
Lord, if I may ask, I'm sick and tired of all these things. Look at these women. Have you ever think about how much profit these women make in a day? These women are there to help their husbands. At least, honey, think about it now. Think about it. Do something. It's too much on them.
Listen, if you are bad in this community, they will talk. You are good, they will talk. I don't care what the market women are saying because they will not add anything to my life. The reason I am settling the stakeholders in this local government is because these are the people that will decide my future. Because I am planning to come out to be the next local government chairman of this local government. And those stakeholders are the people that will decide.
So now if I may ask, which people do you think that will vote for you?
Tell him.
No, if you come out, who will vote for you?
Ifeoma, my sister. How is your husband? Ada? Nkechi? How are you girls doing? My sister is fine. Oh, how is yours? It's fine, this big girl. It's fine. Oh. Come, my sister. Do you have money to pay to those boys, the Kenka's boys, for operational permit today?
My sister, I don't have any money to give to anybody. I don't have.
Even me, I don't have money. Let's just go to the market. They will not kill us now. Let's go.
Mama, they can't try it. They can never try it, Mama. If they try to touch anybody in that Okoma market today, Mama, I will scatter the market. Hey, I will scatter the market. I will tumble the market. You will see it.
See, Mama, you are waiting for them.
Yes.
If they think their head is hot, they should near our table. And they will see more.
Yes.
Nonsense.
Mama, when an outsider was the revenue chairman in this our community, everybody was complaining. Now it is Ikenga, someone from our own community. Tell me, is it not worse than an outsider?
Hey! Ikenga is a devil.
Mama, wait, Mama, wait. Today, operational permit. Okay. Tomorrow, West Basket. Next tomorrow, Mama, daily ticket.
Yeah,
one bet for that market. I will run the market today. Mama, don't tell me it's
my
okay.
sister. Imagine this children.
It's like these children had meeting.
You people should not fight anybody.
They will fight them now. They will fight.
If they get near our table,
I will break the head one after the other.
There will be problem.
I will break the head one after the other. You people should not fight.
Come on. We are not saying anything now. Give it tomorrow. I'll give it tomorrow.
Come on. I'm not carrying that tomorrow.
No. You don't give me permit yesterday.
Okay, we never said.
You will give me a permit yesterday. We will lock this shop.
Okay, you go pay our rent. Okay, go pay our rent. Waiting. Hey!
Give her. Counter. Make sure say complete. This was no one problem. Who again? Some people don't pay here.
Ike, which liver wey carry? Where you come go lock up my father Colorado's? In Colorado, that is shop, you come look and finish, say you be waiting. Look, look, make it be the first and the last time I go say that thing. If I go show yourself, I go show who you be.
Come, how dare you talk to me that?
He said,
do you know my position in
this?
He
didn't talk to me. Wait, he didn't talk to me on Ongo. Wait, because I enter down. He didn't talk to me on Ongo. Abaji, Afrimasaki. He said, how dare you? No worry. He never said. When he said, he gonna say this way we are na speed. Because you carry one thing for hand, when for left hand, we have black shoe, we have slippers. If they put on the white man, you. No worry. If I tell you, if you near that shop again, I go open at this night. I go knock out. If I see you near that shop again, you go understand. You go understand, say, when they hear Abaji, Onongo, Afrimasaki. No easy.
I don't blame you.
Yeah.
Oh no. I just say let me come and see you. I know that we are meeting very soon. But asi Aba cheese n'ime Aba n'etere. Na neku. It concerns Ikenga and his boys and the way they are molesting our people, our women and our children, in the market and in the shop. One man cannot be causing that kind of havoc in the community, and we the elders will sit down and fold our hands. It is said that an elder does not stay at home and watch a she-goat deliver on teters. That is why I say, let me first of all come and reason with you, so that if I bring it up in the meeting, it won't be a surprise.
Shemadoka, thank you so much, at least for this information. And you know we're meeting soon. At least we can invite him so that we can caution him. Thank you. But remember, a stranger will and can never be better than our own.
You're right.
I don't tell you now, I know if you come here again today. I know if you come here today. Tomorrow. Don't worry. Bye-bye, we'll see you tomorrow, I beg. Never want to close finish.
Brother, I heard something today.
What did you hear?
That you fought in the market.
What? Who told you I fought in the market? How can I fight in the market? Am I a madman? Come, who told you that?
Brother, this outbreak work that you do, and this man Ikenga that you are working for, he's a very wicked man.
Sincerely, I don't understand why Ikenga is behaving this way. We are totally against his actions here in this community. Yes, appointment is being made based on competency. As a friend, I saw him that he's qualified for that office, which is why I shortlisted his name to the chairman, and he was appointed. But not to use that office to molest anybody in the community and start humiliating everybody. We are against that equally.
All of you who are here now expressing surprise at what he's saying, will you all tell me that you did not know how he's been molesting our people? Both in the market and in the shops. That you didn't know about the illegal levies he's collecting.
My fellow elders, there's a saying that says that not only the dead ones they used to spread their necks, even the living ones, we can also spread their necks. Oh no, in this case, let us invite him here, summon him here, and talk sense into his head.
What I hate is
when people poke nose in another person's matter. If Ikenga comes now, some of us here won't even say what we are saying now. So to me now, I am of the opinion that let us call him here now. Let us tell him exactly what we are saying here.
It's okay. Like I said earlier, we gave him this appointment as the chairman, revenue. But not to use it against anybody in this town or in this community. So, but as a community, I know you have the power to punish anybody when they go against the law.
Our son Nathaniel.
Hello.
We thank you so much for finding our time to visit us. But please permit me to ask this my harmless question to our people. Because we don't even know where this report is getting to you. So, my Eda, are you the one that sent this report to them?
Oh no, you know that I cannot bring this type of report to you.
What about you?
No.
And what about you?
It's not me.
Sincerely speaking, we don't even know where this evil report against Ikenga is coming from. But nevertheless, we will still look into it. Eh? Thank you so much for coming. My son, I called you here because I have an important information for you. Information I know you may not have heard. Our people say that if a child walks in wisdom, what killed his father will not kill him.
That's true.
And mother nefukwan ebi hefu. This job you are doing for Ikenga, I am not comfortable with it. Each time I see you, my heart bleeds. Because it is that same wicked man that killed your father. Yes. It was him that killed your father. And I said to myself, how can I stay at home, fold my hands, and watch you walk into the river? Because our people say that an elder does not stay at home and watch a she-goat deliver on debtors. So my advice to you, my son, is that you should run for your dear life. Ikenga is gathering ant-infested firewood. When the lizards will visit him, he will be on the run.
So it's true.
He killed him out of jealousy. Ikenga has acquired so many enemies, and every day curses are rained upon him. And you know that you are the only surviving son of my friend. I do not want that lineage to go into extinct. Do not incur causes that is going to affect your family later. In fact, our people say that when you are eating with the devil, you should use a long spoon. But for me, I will tell you not to even eat with the devil.
How dare you? How dare you? Why did you disobey my order?
Chairman, what did I do?
Oh, you are asking me what you did? I told you that anybody that did not pay his statutory levy, all his goods must be impounded. Why did you give back to Ifoma all her goods when she has not paid?
See, Chairman, sometimes we need to consider now. These people are the same people. Now our people they be. Are the same community all of us dey. Sometimes we need to get pity on them now. She told me they don't have money. So I had to give them back. I gave them time, like 2-3 days time now, then go pay. How could they consider some time?
You are very stupid. Oh, because I picked you from that hut, that poverty stick, that house. You are supposed to die there.
See, Chairman, make I tell you, I beg, enough of the insults. Enough of the insults. I don't respect you too much now. Every small thing you go insult my family. Every small thing you go insult my family. Say we poor. Now bad thing say you come to help me. After all, now what can they do for you? I no be your slave now. The suffer while they suffer for the jungle there. You feel suffer now. So because say I return goods for them. No, they insult my family. I beg, they try that kind of nonsense.
What did you do? As you stand like that now, what can you do? What if you do?
Your own, I they talk to you.
No, I go beat you.
You the craze.
Let me tell you something. Mad. See this guy, I go knock you now.
Shifts just come out here, I beg.
Gaga. Now Chamu, they talk to like that.
Thunder fire you.
Make that them thunder fire your father.
That's what I want to tell you. Please, you need to be very, very careful with Chief Maduka. Yes, this man is just against you. I wanted to ask you, have you done anything wrong to him?
Oh no, I have done nothing wrong to Chief Maduka.
In our last elders meeting that you visited, this man was busy talking rubbish against you. Kenya did this, Kenya did that. To understand, all the elders were against him. Now let me shock you. That money you gave to the elders, he rejected it.
Hey.
Yes. So I wonder.
Oh no, I know what that man is suffering from.
Which is?
He is suffering from poverty mentality. And that is exactly what his problem is.
Obrayanisi?
Yeah, Obrayanisi. Ofuma, Obamanayabama.
Obrayanonto?
Yes.
I may put you on Obrayanisi.
Yes, okay. Oh no, I'll take care of that myself. So you don't need to bother about it.
I trust you.
Yes.
Gaga Nogu.
Oh, no.
I'm making it.
So let me be on
No, please. Please now.
Gaga, as you see things, things don't spoil. I dey tell you, and you go need to be careful. It is our boss, Ikenga, because he might not correct for where you do. That man might not correct for where you do. You cannot just use style, delete you come out.
Yeah, I already know. I know Ikenga well. I know saying he get plans for me. You know wahala now. Koni man die, Koni man go bury him.
That one not true, but make you know, like say, they think of retaliation. You understand? Because me, I know waiting this man don't do for you and to you. But any I be, may just come out your hand.
See what's happen. Make I just shun like that. Guy, you no go walk now.
See. See, Gaga. He get what you don't understand. You understand? Just forget about this man. At least you don't attain some level of education. You understand? Now for you to package yourself, gather one or two things, move out of this town, you understand? Build a bigger life. Leave this man and him walk. Because I see him so. May this man not take time to drop you one day.
See, man, I tell you, I don't hear what you talk. No wahala. I go leave this town. But before I go leave this town, Belema, Ikenga go pay. Ikenga go pay for the blood of my father when he don't spill for this land. That a family. I be man now. Now I just run like that. How they run?
Gaga, I understand. I understand how they feel. You understand? A lot of us will see the things now. We witness some. You understand? But what did I go just advise? Just shun this guy, enter town, build a bigger life. Just shun all these kind of things. You understand me? Because even as they talk, as you see me, so me, I get my own plans. And anytime where you no see me, I no show for work. No sir, I don't match. I dey tell you. You understand?
No wahala, no wahala. Me too, I get plans. I get plans. My plans will soon mature. Mazi, I know this is a very sad moment for your family. But I want you to accept my sincere condolence. Sorry for the death of your children. I'm so sorry about it. What I believe is that whoever is responsible for this evil act will surely pay for it one day. They will surely pay for their evil deeds. I'm sorry for your loss.
I know who killed my children. It is no other person than Ikenga and his boys. That is the reason I asked you to stay away from him. Ha, Ikenga. Ikenga. It shall never be well with you.
I don't work for him anymore. I have stopped.
And to what do I owe this visit? I am surprised that you even addressed me as your brother.
Yes, of course. You are my brother. James, I came for us to talk.
Indeed. I am all ears.
I am offering you the sum of 200,000 naira for that land given to you. I want you to hand over that land to me while you take all that belongs to me.
And why should that be? Eh? Why should that be?
Why are you interfering into our brotherly conversation?
Brotherly indeed. Brother that you long rejected. Eh? When we lost our son, were you here as a brother? Were you? No. Why the sudden visit? What do you want?
Listen, no one interferes in my affairs. You won't like me.
I am not afraid of you. I have been so quiet. I am not afraid of you. My husband would not trade that land with you or anybody in this village.
Tell him.
He would not. We will not. Go back. Go back!
James, let me be on my way. Even I tried convincing him, but his wife insulted me. He is really playing with fire.
You're right. He is really and truly playing with fire. As for his wife, her case is like a football game. So don't worry about that.
We need the land. My king, we really need this land so that we will get that money from them.
That was how they plotted and killed your father. I know it is him that killed my children because I have always opposed him in his heinous crimes against our people.
Mazi, one thing I assure you is this. Ikenga will soon meet his doom. Kenga, you and the elders of this village connived and killed my father and shared his property amongst you. So it's true. Hey! And to think that all this happened and I've been working for you. Kenga, listen. I give you people 24 hours. 24 hours to return all my father's property. Or you will die before the 24 hours. Kenga, look at me. Anya keji amo kachalacha. Achagom. Genwa. Kenga achagom. Genwa. I will uproot you. You know say I know your secret. I know your secret. 24 hours. I give you people 24 hours. Come, come and get this.
What is that? Dada came to this place and promised me death within 24 hours. I want to see his dead body right here within 24 hours from now.
You the man. Dada came and told that promise my face. What's on it? What's on it? What's on it? You are wanting that to be that. So bring him down. Are we together? Buffalo. Dada, search everywhere. Anybody you see, bring the person out. Enter here. Search everywhere. Make sure you bring them out. Search everywhere. Bring the person out. Gaga, you get mad. These people don't lock everywhere. Come on. What's happened? Nobody there inside. Nobody there inside. Nobody. So you know what can be? You know what can be? Gaga! Wherever you are, I must find you. It is a promise. God has scattered the house. That's why I did it.
Do you know that idiot, Gaga, came to my house threatening to kill me within 24 hours? What? He also said that you and I connived and killed his father. Yeah?
And what did you do?
Huh?
What did you do?
I sent my boys after him, but he ran away.
Lucky him. And if I may ask, how did he get this information?
Oh no, I know that an enemy to you and I gave him the information.
Maduka. No other person that can do this if not Maduka. Maduka is behind all this. Yes.
Oh no, you are right. You are very much right. Maduka.
Ikenga, I'm sure you know what to do.
I'll do it.
Otinye gisi. Otinye gisi.
Oge Lisia.
Oge Lisia. Oh no.
That was not a law! That was not a
Let me give you this is on.
Okay, your phone is finally on.
Yes, so I'm trying to put it on. Okay. Yes, the door is open.
Can you imagine?
Bessie.
Mommy.
You will live long.
Exactly.
Jeez.
See. We're just talking about you now. I was about collecting your number from you.
Wow.
Bro, how you doing now?
Fine.
Sit down, you're
High school.
Fine.
Wow. Long time no see.
Yes, so.
Tessie.
I love you.
Is this you?
Yes, so.
You killed my brother, Chima. Why? You took the life of my younger sister, Rita. Kenga. Why did you do this to us, Kenga? You sent your boys to kill my father, my mother. Kenga! You will pay for their death. And your blood alone will not be enough. Ikaga! You and your family and the entire community shall pay with your blood. We shall be back. We shall send the rain of blood upon this land.
My brother, just like the story you told me about you and that evil man Ikenga, but thank God you survived it.
My dear, life is all about survival. It's all about survival of the fittest. Anyway, no cause for alarm yet. Your mom told me that you will soon be graduating.
Yes.
So what's the plan?
But I have a little business that is fetching me money.
Business? Hey, Tessie, you know I like business now. What kind of business?
Bro, no need of hiding anything from you. I know you're a hard man, and you equally like the nature of my business.
Tessie. Yeah, I get it. No problem now.
Alright, bro.
I hope you hook me up.
No problem. Don't worry, you like it.
It's alright. I'll go with you anytime you want.
Alright.
Okay.
you're doing some exercise.
Yeah.
Tessie.
Bro.
It's time to pay my village a visit. It's time for me to pay them back in their own coin. It's time to pay them back for what they did to me and my family.
So bro, when are we moving?
Any moment from now.
Okay, I got you back.
I'll be there in 2 hours. Yes, sir. I'll be coming to the council in 2 hours.
Your 2 hours start counting from here to the grave. That will be 2 minutes to your grave. Iyari!
Oh no, she!
Iyari!
Thief man!
Rotten tortoise!
With paper money now you use padole, you go die today.
Iyari! Buffalo! Faster! Come on, pray! I go die today. Chipaka mo! Otayi!
I am a mighty ocean. No one dares me.
Who give you what you chop? Where do you chop?
Listen, when people are talking, children like you should remain silent.
You thief man.
And
okay, you will be.
You know who we are talking to? This is from Masaki.
You will remain, idiot.
Whisper.
They run.
In the field of battle, you can't teach old dogs new tricks. Akidi!
Bro, follow me.
Come. Open it up. Be fast.
What is it?
Where is your auntie?
Auntie! She's coming.
Come. I don't want anybody to see me here.
Okay.
Smelly ass! Come here! Go! Fill another room in hell! Nama show Billionaire!
You!
Smelly
so
tortoise!
You are hearing me?
Smelly tortoise! Smelly tortoise! Stupid and idiot antelope!
Listen, I have told you that I am an ocean. Nobody dares me.
Baby, bye! See, I tell you, whether I like it or not, the devil's spot is the ocean. Yeah! Okay.
Please, Clement.
I know.
Please,
On
Clement.
your knees. Come on your knees.
Please.
On your knees. Oh.
Please,
So you think they don't come out?
Please,
I will take this one. Go.
Please,
Come here. Nama full of belly. Come on, knees. Nama full. Come on, lie there. Nama full of belly. Lie down. I'm full of belly. I'm full of belly. See, I am not Clement. This is Afrima Seki. Lie down, top of her. Lie down for her yash. Come on. For her yash. Lie down well. I don't get. Come on, lap her well. I don't get style.
Please, Clement. Smell.
Fire that people before. Fire you that way. See, raise your 2 hands. Raise your hands. Say, oh my ancestor.
Oh my sister.
Oh my ancestor.
Oh my sister.
Let my blood. Let my blood. Be on the head.
Be on the head.
Of my brother.
Of my brother.
When you go that place, then my papa say, I don't carry on two come. Before earlier, I can't go there, you don't die. You see, your eye don't. Okay. I'm a full of belly. I'm a full of belly. When I see meat, I'm a see me to a chop. I'm a full of belly. See me to a chop. I'm a full of belly. Pupu belly. I'm a so big. This is a from Masaki, aka Pulo Bubo. I'm a paibo.
What is the meaning of this? It is a dangerous thing when your best friend becomes your worst enemy. Kenga, you were preparing for me. You didn't know I was prepared already.
Aquadro, Aquado.
Akufechasi odalawo. Akufechasi odalawo. Ikenga. Akufechasi odalawo. Eh? Outside back in now. Go lie down, get down. Come back, get down. Lie down. Okay. Finally, judgment has come to your home. Huh? I promised you all that I was going to come back. For every single one of you, I stole my father's property. It is time to pay. It is time to pay. You connived with everyone else and stole my father's property.
No.
And killed my father, right?
No.
You say no.
You see, Ikenga, I don't know, please.
Oh, Ikenga. So you are aware?
Ikenga, I don't know.
You are aware of what they did and you refuse to tell me.
I know, but I didn't partake. I didn't join them.
You refuse to tell me.
Sorry, I didn't join
you
them.
And your wife and your children. You've been enjoying my father's property, right? Sorry.
Both of you are cubes of sugar that dissolves in ordinary cup of tea. I am a mighty ocean. I will dissolve the both of you and feed you to the fishes.
I am Gachi. Ofanya na suna bela one. Ofunda. Ikenga issue we go yin abo. Nga fotugi. Nga wugi miro yi. Ijoyi. Ada, let's go. So Ikenga, he turned to goat. like the shark that can swim the ocean. We must bring you down. For killing my family, you will never go free. You must die. I and my sister will bring you down. So your husband, kill my father, kill my mother, kill my sister, kill my brother. And you'll come. Please, your head. Come on.
I didn't see anybody there, Papa.
Even the father?
Nobody's at home.
You mean you do not see anybody at
home?
Judgment has finally come to your house. Huh? The evil that you did in darkness has finally come to light. One by one, I'll kill you all. Let's go.
Relax, government. Go to the guard. This way. Move! Relax. See, government and I are one now. That's why you are the end of the move. Go to reach here first. Go talk government to government.
Have saw this. Oh no! Judgment has finally come to your home. What is the meaning of this? Why are you in my house with guns? You're asking me. You're asking me. No! You're asking me. You're asking me. Come, lie down there. Idiot, you're asking me. No. The evil that you did 20 years ago in darkness has finally come. Okay. That seed you planted many years ago, it's time for you to harvest it. You killed my father, right?
No!
Huh? You say no? Ikenga. Who else is in your house? Who else is in this house? Eh? Who is in this house? Where's your family? Okay, you heard that I'm coming. And you decide to send them away. You decide to send them away. I should tell you, take a sound. Look at you. Leziana again. Ofu. Can't get them. Ofu. Can't get them. Next. Can't run away.
Akwadoro.
You're a very selfish man. Your family. Gaga, you did this to me. You did worse to me. Hey! Billionaire, you, what about you? Do this time on the work. But I want you. Before you go wear uniform. Yes, I want you. Even our house where they come they eat. Even they love my mama. Billionaire, what do you want to tell my mama? Billionaire. Move. Billionaire, who gave you uniform? I would not be thief. Come on, move. Move. I would not be thief. Move. Now my job is at the final. Make up and give us work. When I give up better work. Move.
Don't move.
Billionaire, let me do this thing. Let me use the plot for like this. Would I become police? Billionaire, you just got to get information. Don't betray me. Don't betray me.
I want to see with my brother. And your life is very important to me. Brother God is on my side. Or
step aside. This is injustice, oh!
Hey, quiet!
Yes, you know that.
Quiet! You had a chance to leave. Now move.
No one is above the law.
Move! Move!
God will not save you. Go!
Billionaire, this is not fair.
It's not fair at all.
Billionaire, this is not fair.
Move here!
It is not fair.
Move!
Billionaire, you are one of them. Move.
I decided. Listen, I decided to surrender to government.
You are an idiot.
Because I have.
Your power.
Because of me, so many souls.
Keep quiet. Come on, keep quiet.
I decided to surrender.
You think you can challenge me? Your power is rubbish where I am.